Hello everyone, do you know about Copuppy, the NFT token that has recently attracted a lot of attention from the entire network? NFT or non-fungible token is a protocol developed to serve as copyright digital content. By using the NFT protocol, the copyright of digital content can be secured using blockchain technology and does not allow manipulation. For example, someone can secure their digital artwork using the NFT protocol and then sell it on a marketplace that supports NFT token trading. Talking about NFT tokens, this is Copuppy, which is the first NFT doggy launched on the Binance Smart Chain network. Copuppy offers users innovative features such as collection, battle, lending, valuation, gamify, and the metaverse. With these features, users can become NFT token collectors, fight with other users and get free tokens, or become liquidity providers and earn rewards. But do you know the mission of Copuppy? You will be amazed to know that. Copuppy's mission is to introduce pet sharing and make pet ownership easier, cheaper, and more enjoyable. Copuppy is an NFT project launched on the BSC platform that provides users with various innovative features. In Copuppy, users can collect cute NFT tokens from various series such as fashion series, cute pet series, science series, and fantasy series. But that's not all. There are several other features of Copuppy like Puppy Bath, exclusive game which allows users with their NFT tokens to fight with other players. Then we can see Doggo Finance. Genesis card and sharing card holders are entitled to access to the lending platform provided by Copuppy. Which is the most interesting one? It is Metaverse. This is Copuppy's universe consisting of 7 different regions that have different characteristics and functions. Later, users are expected to survive in this crazy world. Users can earn passive income by becoming a liquidity provider by deposit specific LP or farming on farms. So, what kind of technology Copuppy uses behind the operations? Until recently, transferring digital assets was a time-consuming and agonizing endeavor. It's time to remove that serve expression. Now, here there is Copuppy, a decentralized trade platform that's more than just a conventional marketplace. Copuppy has changed the way individuals manage their NFT assets by making the exchange procedure more accessible and clear. ERC20, the technical standard used to generate tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, is well known in the crypto community. You can also check out their white paper to see all the details. So, there will be a lot of fun to be experienced on the Copuppy platform. As the first doggy NFT project to be launched on Binance Smart Chain, Copuppy is quite confident that it will be a successful NFT project in the market. Especially the support from audit professionals, potential investors, close partners, and the community. Interesting project and potential to develop. So, what are you waiting for? Let's jump into the project.